Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Violet color, red color, orange color, pink color, light green color, brown color, dark green color, black color, chocolate color, yellow color, blue color, dark blue color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for animals. B for butterfly. C for candy. D for duck. E for eggplant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ink. J for jar. K for king. L for lychee. M for mother. N for nose. O for olive. P for peace. Q for question. R for rain. S for star. T for toy. U for universe. V for violin. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yum. Z for zipper. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.